कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन लुधियाना की तरफ से पहली बार संपर्क वर्कशॉप का आयोजन किया गया। इस वर्कशॉप में अलग अलग स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स और कॉलेजेस के स्टूडेंट्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया। इस वर्कशॉप के दौरान रीसेंट कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन के टीचर्स ने स्टूडेंट्स को कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट एंड डिजिटल लर्निंग के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दी।
Assistant professor at Asian College of Education. Today we have arranged a very mega event, that is Sampark 2025, Elevate Your Personality. Here we have taken 3 sessions regarding communication skills, personality development and digital learning. Over 78 students from various colleges have participated, and we hope they will learn a lot. 5 resource persons did a very tremendous job. I'm very thankful to them also, and I'm very excited that our principal ma'am has showed that trust in us and motivated us to do this activity that was awaited from last 3-4 months, and today on 11th November 2025 we are going to do this, and we have done it very successfully. Thank you. Thank you.
To practice, you need to build up your functional vocabulary. As she told you, we had that exercise of emojis and the synonyms associated with being happy, sad, surprised, angry, and so on. We can't force a person to listen to us. Is it true? Yes. Like psychology may, as Suprema ma'am always tells us, that you can bring that child to the class, but you cannot force that child to listen to us. You can draw that horse to water, but you can't force that horse to drink that water.
I'm 31 years old.
Did the burglary happen at your house?
पढ़ने के बाद देखिए आपको जो समझ आया वो कितना आया कितना नहीं, you agreeing with the context? आपको
Soft skills समझ में आ गई है। Soft skills is which soft is anything which is not tangible, जिसको हम टच नहीं कर सकते। Can you touch leadership?
Then with the 2 skills, which were those?
Art skills.
Speaking and ma'am has taught you. सबसे पहले तो ध्यान से सुनो होगा यार। First one, speaking and reading. अभी different things, soft skills, how to write a letter. तुम लोग सोचोगे मैम लेटर ही क्यों कराया? भाई क्यों कराया? Yourself, इतनी छोटी सी चीज करा रहे हो मैम, why? We have seen this. Time and again we have seen that the students are committing mistakes while writing an application, a simple leave application. So that's why we have decided that we will give you the basic thing first. Fine? So the sessions were very good. Even I have learned many things from them. And about personality.
डॉक्टर अमिता खोसला ने डिजिटल लर्निंग के दौरान स्टूडेंट्स को सेफ्टी और कैनवा के बारे में बताया। उन्होंने स्टूडेंट्स को नॉलेज दी कि कैसे एआई टूल्स का यूज करके वो प्रोफेशनल सीवी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं।
Numerous things. It's a totally magical thing. You can make posters, you can make docs, you can make presentations, you do something in social media, so videos, printables, websites, and whatnot. You can make lots and lots of. You can make brochures also. If you want to sell something, sell something.
The experience is very good. हमें समझाया बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा। आगे हमारी लाइफ में भी बहुत ज़्यादा काम आएगा। जब इंटरव्यू देने जाएंगे तब बहुत ज़्यादा काम आएगा। थैंक यू।
सबसे बढ़िया टॉपिक कौन सा लगा? सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक इसमें
Communication skills.
अच्छा, तो क्या सीखा उसमें आपने?
How to communicate with other person publicly, कैसे अपने communicate करना है, interviews वगैरह में कैसे attend करना है, that's all.
आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो अभी?
मैं BSc non-medical from
Because of all this, all my principal ma'am.
वर्कशॉप अटेंड करने वाले हर स्टूडेंट को सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन दिया गया और सबसे खूबसूरत बात ये रही कि इस वर्कशॉप का समापन नेशनल एंथम से किया गया। लुधियाना से राजवंत
for giving us opportunities to organize such type of events and support in every time. Next